Hi everyone. So I'm going to make a video I didn't think I had to make, but there seems to be a lot of conversation on this online. The TFT screen, how you're supposed to clean it. Okay, you can see that this is kind of dirty. I haven't cleaned it since the last time I wrote it. It rained. You can see it's kind of smudgy and just funky looking, okay? So how do you clean this screen? There are so many options. People talk about special types of products that are made, and somebody said angel tears, which I know was just, I'm sure, a joke. But you know, everybody's getting very complex about it. And the thing you have to understand about this screen is when it's on, it gets hot. And when it gets hot, no matter what you try to clean it with, it's going to streak it. It's going to make it foggy, okay? And it also holds true if you're going to try to clean it when the sun is hitting on it. So as an example, right now I'm in my little outdoor area that I keep my bikes at, under a carport, under a special cover, and everything is cool right now. So you can see how dirty this is. So what am I going to use to clean it with? Well, I'm going to use that clear Windex, and I'm going to use that Bounty paper towel, and that's all. So I'm going to try to hold my camera here so you can kind of watch me do this, so you know I'm not tricking you here. So I'm going to just go ahead and squirt some regular Windex on it, like that. I'm going to get a piece of regular paper towel, and because it's not hot or has sun streaking down on it, I'm going to clean it. And I'm just using basic wiping. And then I'm going to let it dry. And let it completely evaporate. And except for a few small areas that I can wipe off with the towel. Now look. See that? Clean and streak free. Oh my God.